Today I'm going to walk you through 12 essential tools that I personally use, whether it's tackling repairs, renovation, or upgrades, from the tile cutters to reciprocating saw, and even some powerful Ryobi gear. These tools are game changers. Let's jump straight into the lineup, and don't miss the final one. It's a beast. This tool is very important, very special. It's only $17. You have different variety of it. You could buy different type, an offset one, perhaps a one for the compound tile cutting. This is great. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox, and I tell you why. When you have a piece of tile, you don't want to turn on your wet saw. It's perfect for nipping away a piece of tile. Let's say you need a small piece to fit around the door edge or by the window. Whatever the reason is, you need to chip away some pieces of the tile. This is it. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration to give you an idea what this tool is capable of doing. You see these marks over here? Look, come closer. You see these marks over here? And this is also some kind of mark. So you take a tile, right? So you line it with the mark over here. Can you see this mark? You see this mark right there? And this mark to get a straight line. Then, you see the blade right there, the circular blade? You press on it. Not too much, just enough, firmly. And you just force it. So once you get that line, you move back about 1.5 inches or ½ inch. You press it down firmly. Nice cut. Bought this Diablo 4-inch bimetal hole saw with snap lock plus mandrel system. It's a very interesting system. 40% is you get deeper cuts to pass through material in one cut. It's a tool-free plug ejection and effortless material for removal. The snap lock plus mandrel system for fast and easy cup changes. So I just used the drill. I went through this this thick wood and made a nice and sharp hole. As you can see, it's nice and smooth there. And it got the job done more efficiently than I expected. So it also has this special cut up under the hole where you could use a screwdriver or any sharp object to take out the remaining of the wood that you have stuck, which I thought was very interesting. And look at this cut. I mean, it did a great job. So this is the rigid 6-gallon air compressor. It's portable, pancake shape. The tank is pancake shaped, so it's called Pancake 6-gallon air compressor. Once you turn it on, it'll run. It'll build up pressure. The maximum pressure is at 150 psi. Once you get to 150 psi, the compressor will stop. Then you could use the regulator to adjust the output pressure that you would want. Mostly, it all depends on the type of equipment you're using. If you're using a nailer, for example, you would want the pressure from 70 to 100 or 110, depending on your nailer. You decide what pressure the manufacturer recommends, and then after you got the pressure you want, you just lock it in place. And it has 2 ports where you could use you could have 2 individuals working together, and this air compressor will be able to supply the air. This particular air compressor is 1.5 horsepower, and it's very portable. I mean, practically you get any job done with this one. This Ryobi flashlight, it's battery operated. It also comes with the car charger connection. You don't need battery here. You could just connect it to your car, as I did right here. And then when you have to change the flat tire, or when you need to work on your car outside, you get so much light over there at night. As you can see, it's dark, and with this light, you are able to do whatever work that you would like to do. You could also connect it directly with the Ryobi battery that you usually use for your drill or impact driver. So I wanted to show you what is this light about. I'm going to go outside. You see it's pitch dark outside, and you turn the light on, it makes it really bright. So it's really bright. It's very useful. You could use it for outdoor party or any kind of construction work you're doing outside. I wanted to beam out to the nearby pine tree, and you see the beam going up there. It's pretty bright. I find it useful. It's very portable. This door lock installation kit, it's very easy and simple to use. You take 2 screws and first you mount it on the door. You see the arrow pointing, that's where we're going to make the hole. Once you have these 2 screws installed in place, no worries, this thing will stay in place. You don't have to worry about it. So you take the hole saw and you just make hole through the door. Now this particular hole saw can be used for wood doors, maybe thin metal doors, or obviously the paper door. In this case, this one is looks like made out of cardboard, so it worked perfectly for me. It should work perfectly for you. And then you have the secondary circular saw that comes with to make hole, and you just go ahead and make a hole. This one is getting smoky because I've used this in the past. The sharpness of the saw probably disappeared at this point. So I've been using it for many times, and it's very useful. This is a Ryobi Reciprocating Saw. I'm just popping in the battery. I wanted to show you what it can do. It could do pretty much any other reciprocating saw could do, even the corded one. Only thing is that you might have to replace the battery once the charge goes out. I want to actually go ahead and cut these 2x4s, so you see that this one is capable of doing anything that you could do with any other saw. It's not weak. It's Ryobi. It's not one of those heavy-duty commercial ones. But for a homeowner, for a DIY, this is the perfect tool. I mean, why spend so much? Especially if you're starting off. I wanted to cut different pieces, sheetrock, 2x4s, metals. I want to show you what you could do. My goal is, why spend more money when you don't have to? If you're starting off, this is a tool to go and get, so you could make all the mistakes you need to, and get good at it. And this tool will last you. So you pop the battery out, you take the blade out, then you just put it away. 70 piece impact accessories, you could say. It comes with so many different tips, as you can see, and it has a unique casing. So you'll fit right in your toolbox without an issue. And it's all organized. You could pull up, and there's some slots still open. If you have any extra tools laying around, you could just place them there. So many different kind, up to 70 of them. And most of them I won't be using, but at least I have them. It's good to have. I bought them because I bought an impact driver, and you need this kind of attachment for the impact driver. I've been using my drill for a while, so I went ahead and I bought this. So I had to buy these accessories. So I wanted to show you what these 70 pieces look like and how can you use it. So far so good. I haven't broken any of them yet. I use them. It's good. It fits well. It does the job. Whatever I need to do, I'm able to do. So you save time and money. I went to Home Depot. I'm looking for a hammer, sledgehammer with a short handle. So I see 2 different kind of hammer, which is 3 pound. Both of them, the weight 3 pounds. The head of the hammer is 3 pounds. However, the handle, one of them is fiberglass. The other one, I believe, some other material. I don't know which one it is. So this particular one, made by Milwaukee, it's interesting because the handle is made out of fiberglass. And the other one is Husky. The handle is not fiberglass. I believe it's something else. I don't know, wood or whatnot. But it feels heavier for some reason. Both of them says 3 pound. I guess the head is 3 pound. Leave a comment below if you know what it is. The one to the left, this one right here, it feels lighter for some reason. Ryobi Impact Driver. This particular driver is unique. Ryobi makes about 4 of them. This one is the best one you could get. Why? It has 4 speeds, and it has this great feature where, as you see, I'm flipping through one mode to the another. There's 4 different modes, and it has the last mode, which is number 4, speed 4. It has a unique feature where when you're reversing a screw, all you have to do is you hold onto the screw and it backs up by itself. It has this special feature, and as you see, I had to buy this attachment separate. So it's a quick snap-on type, and it holds on, so you don't have to worry about it falling off your hand while you are working. So this is designed for Ryobi, so it should fit. So you save money and time with this tool. Ramset Master Shot .22 caliber powder actuated tool. So as you see, this caliber is .22. They come in different color. You have green, yellow, and red. Green is the weakest. Yellow is somewhat middle strength, and the red is the high strength. So I'm using this yellow one for 2x4 to concrete. You could use the green one for 2x4, 2x2x4, and the red one for something high strength. This is just to give you an idea of what these different color caliber could do. I'm sure there's many other things you would do, you could do with this gun, like use different material. So just wanted to show you. You see, if you could notice on the bottom, it's spring loaded. The nose tip is spring loaded. That's a safety feature. You have to hold it down before you trigger. If you don't hold it down, it won't trigger. So that's a safety feature. That wraps up our 12 must-have tools for every serious landlord and DIYers. If you own rental property, do home repairs, or just love powerful tools, these should definitely be in your toolbox. Let me know in the comment which tool you rely on the most, or if there's one you think I missed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bells so you never miss another tip from the Landlord Workshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.